Hey everybody, welcome back to Fab Daddy Garage TV. I am your host, Fab Daddy. See, it even says right here on my custom name tag. I won't tell you how hard it was to get that on there without getting my beard stuck in it. Anyway, doing a quick little video for you on something cool that I just got. Amazon Day was just a few days ago, and I ordered some stuff off of Amazon, and it finally came in. Let me show you what I got. So as you can see, it is a Craftsman 230-piece mechanic tool set. So let's open this up. I already cut the tape, make it a little easier. So here we go. Let's see if we turn it around. What do we got here? We got our silicone gel packet. Do not eat these, they're not candy. I know that from personal experience, don't ask me. But anyway, my son had spent some time in an ambulance. So let's see, we'll get this out of here. Let's see. So yeah, Craftsman 230 piece tool set, SAE metric. It's got all that stuff in it. It says $750 value based on MSRP of individually priced items. I'm guessing if you can find a store that still sells Craftsman, I think Ace Hardware does, some other places do, that's how much this kit would cost. I ended up only spending like $99 on this kit. Normally on Amazon it's $199, so I got it for about half off. Anyway, let's go through here real quick and see what. So we'll pull, let's see, get this off of here. Cover off. And here we go. So what's cool about this is, if you remember, I've got these other Craftsman stackable boxes that are, yes, they're still packed from Power Tour, like, what was that, a month ago? I have not unpacked them yet because, well, I'm lazy. But what's cool about this is, I don't know why it's so... There we go. What's cool about this is you can take this pack, stack it on top. This is going to be a horrible video, but I appreciate you sticking with me. And then you got these little locker thingies here. You lock that in, and it locks the two boxes together. So that when you stack these two boxes on top of the rolly one and lock it in there, they stay together. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll just leave that there. And then it's got locks on top. So if I wanted to, I could take my little box, stack on top of there. So that's pretty cool. And the drawers won't open until you turn this little knob here. Just unlock it. And then you can unlock. And here in the bottom, it's got the 1/2-inch drive. It's got a few 1/2-inch sockets. Got a really nice 72-inch ratchet handle. So that's pretty nice. A little short extension. It's got all your end wrenches, and it's even got these cute little itty bitty wrenches. Look at these little wrenches. Aren't they the cutest? Look at that. Let's see, the smallest one here is, see if I can read what size it is. That's a 5mm. I think it's actually a smaller one. Let's see, that's a 5.5, 4.5. Oh, there it is. There's the little one. See, here we've got, I don't know if I can zoom in far enough, a 4mm end wrench. Isn't that the cutest little thing? So there's all those. That's the 1/2-inch and 3/8 drive. Again, you've got the ratchet, 72 tooth ratchet, short extension. You've got your standard sockets. You've got your metric sockets. You've got shallows and deeps. If you push this tab on this side, then push it on this side, the whole drawer comes out, and you have you've got some hex bits up here at the top, and then a little spot to put nuts and bolts and stuff. Something's missing here. Okay, brand new set. Up here, you've got a cool little screwdriver bit. It'd be cool if I had a thing in there, but it doesn't. Screwdriver bits. Your 1/4-inch ratchet. You've got, like, I'll pop this out again. You've got all kinds of, look at all those screwdriver bits and different drive bits up here. Again, there's your 1/4-inch drive. This is to put, this end goes onto your ratchet. This end, maybe it's the other way around. Yeah, this end, you can put any of these, the bits way up here into there and use it on your ratchet. You've got another extension. You've got your standard. You've got your metric. Let's see, what is this? Oh no. Brand new set. That's the 10 millimeter. That's a 10 millimeter. Oh no! Oh no! 10 millimeter. Oh no! Brand new set. All my 10 millimeters are gone. I'm just teasing. I took them out just to kind of make a funny video. But anyway, I wanted to get this set because, yes, I have other tool sets like this, but they take up space in these boxes, where this, I could just throw it on top of this whole kit, or I could just throw it in the camper for when we go camping. I could throw it in the back of the truck for when we go somewhere. I just want to take a standard set of tools with me. I'm going to go ahead and supplement this with some of the cubbies. I may throw some screwdrivers and stuff in there. I mean, it has that screwdriver in there already. I may go ahead and grab one of those screwdrivers that's got all the different bits built into it, throw in here. That way I have some screwdrivers. I may throw an adjustable wrench in there. I may take, so this box has all my electrical stuff in it. I may either take all that stuff out or get another one of these thin boxes and throw like a small hammer and stuff like that. Just some, now I wouldn't say random, but some specific tools in there, just to have a basic little toolkit that I can just throw into my truck. Because right now, what I've had is this old toolbox over here that's starting to crack and fall apart. And as you can see, it's got a hodgepodge of tools in it that most of them aren't really that useful. Plus, they kind of take up a lot of space that's not needed. And there's not like I said, a lot of stuff in there's not really that useful. This way, I've got like a full set of 1/4" drive sockets, a full set of 3/8 drive sockets, and a pretty decent set of 1/2" drive sockets. Like I said, I was just joking with the 10 millimeters. I took them out before I did this. They're over here in this other box. If I can get it open. See, there they are. So anyway, just having some fun with you. Stay tuned for my next video, because also on Amazon Day, I ordered a boatload of parts. All these boxes. Did you know you could order oil off of Amazon? I did not know that until I did it. This has got some new spark plug wires that have metal boots on them. This box is full of all my AN fittings. This box has mass airflow sensor and a cold air intake. This little kit, I'll really show you that one. That was pretty cool. I won't spoil what it is. I've got hoses, pipes in here. This is 3/8 hose or 5/8 hose for a vent tube for the gas tank, and here is some AN line for oil cooler and transmission cooler lines. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go through all that stuff, but first thing I'm gonna do is I need to clean out the shop, because as you can see, it is a disaster right now. Like I said earlier, I still need to put away all the stuff from Power Tour. I need to clear this table off, because this is like my only workbench I have, and it's got a whole bunch of junk on it. This, I'm going to do a special video on this one. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I will tell you it's very heavy, and it's going to get a custom stand built. But before I can do that, I got to get this mess cleaned up, and I've got some new lights to put up in here. So I thank you for watching this video. If you want to click like, I'd appreciate it. If you want to click subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Please don't base that off of this video, because this has not been a great video. So I do encourage you to go check out some of my other Fab Daddy Garage videos. And like I said, stay tuned. I've got plenty of videos coming. Just got to get them recorded now. So anyway, I'll see you guys next time. See ya.